Having a beautiful pool in your yard is a dream come true for homeowners, but it also means there is a need for extra safety. We do our best to keep our loved ones right at our side at all times, but in our busy lives today, we can quickly become busy answering a few emails, or something as simple as making a cup of coffee. Distractions happen, and they happen fast. With nobody watching, suddenly your pool becomes a real danger to curious children who just want to explore and have fun. Imagine the peace of mind you could have knowing there were someone watching your pool 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Introducing CamerEye, an AI-based system built specifically for pools. CamerEye allows owners to draw a smart fence around their pool and uses AI-based detection to specifically identify that a person has crossed that fence. When it determines the activity was a human, it sends out multiple alerts to let you know that someone has entered the pool area. So before the danger becomes reality, CamerEye is there to let you know and gives you the chance to quickly respond. Nothing is more valuable than knowing that your loved ones are safe. Enjoy your pool the way it was meant to be enjoyed, and live with the peace of mind that it is being watched 24/7. Visit CamerEye.ai to learn more.